When you have an ignition misfire suspicion, always good, no matter what you think's wrong with that car, to run all DTC check in every module. Remember, it's not just a powertrain or engine management system. It's a complete vehicle where a lot of things are overlapping and working together in concert. So run all modules, all DTCs, and especially in the PCM, look for those pending codes to get the big picture. Remember, you could have an ignition module that's not the problem. Ignition coil can make spark, but it could be some diagnostic circuit that makes the computer think it's not working correctly and shut the injector down. You have a misfire, it's not really a misfire. Also, other information to help supplement your DTCs, your failure records, pending codes, and so forth would be Mode 6. We did a complete broadcast in recent months on Mode 6 with hands-on case studies. So make sure you go to the Delphi Auto Parts YouTube page and look at the Mode 6 program we did in the past. If you're not a Mode 6 guru, you're not comfortable with it, you'll find it has a lot of extra help, especially with Ford misfires, because that's one of the Mode 6 parameters that is there on Fords. It'll help you a bunch with that TID 53 or SID 80 on the newer CAN bus vehicles, knowing which component failed, at what level it failed, and so forth. So bone up on the Mode 6. That'll help you a bunch, deliberately knowing how bad the cylinder is misfiring and which cylinder it is misfiring.